Pakistan Rozgar office is one of the most advanced job centers in Lahore and provides skilled, unskilled staff, labor, security guards and workers for offices, call centers, IT offices, restaurants, hotels, factories and mills. We believe that quality is everything and we welcome all the companies and organizations across the Pakistan. The aim of Pakistan Rozgar office is to provide full assistance to the unemployed persons. We offer career counseling, job information, food and accommodation information, recruitment and placement services for job seekers. If someone has any kind of problem in one place, then we help him to adjust it in another place. If there is also a problem, he or she can be adjusted in the third place as well. Job seekers can personally visit the office of Pakistan Rozgar office, Gohar Center, Appara Market, Muslim Town, Wahadat Road, Lahore, or can contact online through our website pakistanrozgaroffice.net, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, like it, Snapchat.